So I have these wall mount brackets here that are for TP-Link cameras, and they were sent to us as a gift to review. And I just want to show you. So these mounts right here are for the TP-Link camera, and it's going to be for the C100 or C110 and C101 or C111. And as you can see here, like I mentioned, it's going to come with three of these, right? And it comes with the screws and the anchors as well. You can see here. And so you have two choices. You can either just screw it into the wall, or you can peel off this this thing right here, and it has tape on this side, so you can tape it on the wall. I personally would tape it on the wall and add the screw, just for extra safety, extra um, so it lasts longer. But you can see here, so you can install it, the adhesive with metal, wood, tile, glass, marble. So if you're gonna install it, for example, like sheetrock or something like that, it'd be best to use a screw and the anchor. This, I guess, it'll be more like for outside if you're gonna install them outside. But again, like I mentioned, I would still, maybe if you're gonna do on the sheetrock, like inside, maybe not do the double-sided tape, because sometimes it does. The tape is extra strong, and it brings the tape, or it brings the paint off the wall, if the tape is too strong. So I wouldn't do that, but I would definitely use the anchor and the screw. If it's outside, you can possibly use just special screws like concrete, or for whatever it is that you're going to do it in wood, and you can still use the tape as well.